Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Supabase Auth for role-based UI rendering step by step clearly. To begin, you'll need to set up your Supabase project. Visit the Supabase website and log in to your account. Create a new project by providing a name and selecting a region. After your project is created, navigate to the authentication section in the dashboard. In the authentication settings, find the Settings tab. Here, configure your sign-up methods according to your app's requirements. Next, set up your database rows to define user roles. You can create a roles table to manage the various user roles in your application. Make sure to insert roles such as admin, editor, and viewer as needed. Now, go to the API settings and copy your project URL and anon key for later use. In your development environment, install the Supabase client library. You can do this using your package manager. Once installed, create an instance of the Supabase client using your project URL and anon key. Next, implement the authentication methods for user sign-up and login. Use the Supabase client to call sign-up and sign-in methods accordingly. Ensure that users are redirected to the appropriate page after logging in. After successful authentication, retrieve the user's session data. Check the user's role from the database using a query based on the session information. You can use the select method to access the role associated with the user. Store the user role in a global state or a context provider for easy access throughout your app. Now, implement conditional rendering in your UI based on the user role. Create components that will display different content for different roles. For example, admins might see admin panels, while viewers might see read-only content. Finally, test the application by logging in as different users to verify the role-based rendering works correctly. With this, you've successfully implemented role-based UI rendering using Supabase Auth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.